To use ClonBrowser, first create browser profiles. Point 1. Create a new browser profile. Click New Browser in the upper left corner. Here you can create a profile by selecting different parameters as needed. Once the parameters are filled in, click the Create Profile button and it will be created successfully. For more details about each parameter, you can go to Parameter Detail in the Help Center. Point 2. Bulk Create New Profiles. On the browser page, click Batch Creation. Select different parameters as needed, then click the Create Profile. You can also set the group to better manage the batch profile. After the profile is created, you can start using it. However, the browser will be the same as any other browser on the computer, using the local IP proxy. To achieve different browser effects, you need to set the appropriate IP proxy for the profile. If you don't have an available IP proxy, click Cooperative Partners and visit the official website of our deep cooperative partner IPRockets to purchase one, or choose another proxy provider. Point 3. Setting a single proxy. You can set it directly when you create a new profile by clicking New. Where you can set it after the new profile is completed. Click Set Proxy, New. We support standard HTTP/HTTPS, SOX 5, SSH, and more advanced application protocol plugins such as VMS, ShadowSox, Trojan, Bless, Local Proxy, and Subscription. If there is no protocol you want in the drop-down list, please go to Application Market, subscribe. Point 4. Bulk Set Proxy. First of all, you need to click New in Proxy page. After finishing, go back to the browser page, select Multiple Profiles, click Proxy, use a IP proxy. Then, multiple profiles will be set to use the same proxy, which is applicable to dynamic IP. For static IPs, you need to batch import proxy on the proxy page first. Enter the proxy information according to the instruction and click Parse. Click Save. After the parse is complete, the proxy will appear in the list. You can also set up groups to better manage proxies in bulk. When you are done, go back to the browser page and click Set Proxy and use one by one to complete the proxy setting. Once the proxy settings are complete, you can use the profile as needed. For more operations, please refer to the description of each module in the Help Center. If you have any questions, please scan the code to communicate with customer service.